There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea.
A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. Then one day, a magic day, he passed my way, and while he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me:
the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return.
Then one day, a magic day, he passed my way.
While he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me:
the greatest thing
you'll ever learn
is to love
and to be loved in return.